Laila Tov, a bedtime poem for babies, by Richard Van Camp. It's Laila Tov for your feet and toes. It's Laila Tov for your eyes and nose. It's Laila Tov for your ears and lips. So let me kiss your fingertips. It's Laila Tov for the moon and trees. It's Laila Tov for you and me. It's Laila Tov for the sun and stars. It's Laila Tov for this world of ours. It's Laila Tov for girls and boys. It's Laila Tov for teddies and toys. It's Laila Tov for the clouds above that we watch with hope and love. It's Laila Tov for eagles and swans, as you, my love, stretch and yawn. It's Laila Tov for giggles and smiles, so close your eyes and dream a while. It's Laila Tov for rivers and streams, so splash and play within your dreams. You are magic before our eyes. You are a gift to all our lives. You bring light. You bring love. You bring joy, Laila Tov.